This lesson is going to be about obtaining a credit report. Your credit report and your budget are sort of the map and the compass to getting through your journey to debt free. We're going to talk about budgeting in the next lesson. Your credit report needs to be lined up with the statements that you're getting in the mail. I know many of you are just throwing your mail in the garbage. It's a very common kind of thing when you're in debt trouble. There's nothing but bad news in the mail anyhow, so why open it? Well, there's a reason you have to open it. You need to put that thinking behind you. You need to stop avoiding the problem. You need to look the dragon in the eye and say, my lack of action is a bigger problem than my lack of money. And that's really true, and you'll hear me say that many, many times as we go through these lessons. The things that you need to do are sometimes very difficult and very disturbing when you're trying to get out of debt trouble, but they're essential if you're going to succeed at this. You want to make sure that on the credit report that the accounts that they have listed are the accounts that you are getting bills for. The amounts may be a little bit different. Interest and penalties accrue. Other events take place. Don't worry about that. You just want to make sure that the accounts are lined up. They should be relatively close. You may also find a lot of very negative, derogatory statements and things about your delinquencies and all this sort of thing. Don't take it personally. It's just the mechanics of credit reporting. That's how these credit reports work. It's part of how banks understand people who pay their bills on time and people who don't. And right now you're in the process of getting your debt trouble behind you. My good friend and colleague Lou Rodriguez of Credit GPS is going to give you a very, very clear Camtasia piece of video on how to pull down your credit report, how to read and interpret what it's saying to you, and how to use it effectively to ensure that your credit score is as accurate as it can be. Once your debts are resolved, the details of your credit report are going to become very, very important as you try to restore your financial life. Right now, let's get busy at www.annualcreditreport.com getting our free credit report. I'm Harvey Z. Warren. Let's drop debt.